Hello, the purpose of this video really is to show you what I've done, and first of all explain why I've done it. So on the right, these both phones belong to me, and on the right is a Android phone running KitKat 4.4. Quite an old phone, had it a long time, and I wanted to kind of repurpose it. And one of the things I thought about doing is to try and run Google Maps on it, so I could use it on my motorcycle. However, the problem is that Google Maps will not run and give me the directions. It's too old. The phone is too old to run Google Maps on it, basically. However, with my experience with Android Auto, which I quite enjoy in the car, and I have a unit in the car which runs that, does all that, I wanted to do the same with a motorbike. And then I came up with this, I saw this app called Head Unit Reloaded. It's installed on here, and that's what we'll be using to turn this into so I can display Google Maps on my motorbike. So I'll just go through the steps. It's a little complicated, but it can be done. It's quite easy really. So the Head Unit version of Head Unit Reloaded I've got is a full version. It's not the trial version. And so what you'll need to do is install it onto your old, you can use it, you do this on a tablet I think, but you can install it on your old phone, and you go into settings and you go into connectivity, Wi-Fi connection mode, and the first thing you need to do is to make sure, just select manually connect to Android Auto Head Unit server, okay, which I've already done. So I'll just cancel that, come out of it, and the next thing we need to do is shut it down. So go back to the original phone screen. So that's the first thing to do. Second thing we'll need to do, although Android Auto is built into Android and later versions from 5 onwards, so it's already built into this. The next thing we need to do is install on here the app Wi-Fi Launcher, and this is it. I'm not going to just show you it briefly. We'll come back to that later. So we need to install that on there to get ready to start it. So we've got the full version of Head Unit Reloaded on there, and we've actually installed Wi-Fi Launcher on the other phone. So to get started, we need to do two things. We need to, first of all, create a Wi-Fi hotspot on here. So switch on the hotspot, and we'll go to the details. So I've called this hotspot Red 8. There it is. And if I close down the Wi-Fi on the phone itself, what I'm able to do is set this Wi-Fi hotspot, so it's using the 2.4 gigahertz band. Now that's important because this old phone won't run on 5 gigahertz band. It has to be the 2.4 gigahertz band. Select your SSID, your hotspot name, give it a password. Okay, it's fairly straightforward to do, and that's set up. Next thing we need to do is to connect this phone to that one. So to connect the Wi-Fi of this phone to this, I'll just go into here and we'll go to settings, Wi-Fi, and hopefully there's the Red 8 hotspot already there. So we'll then connect that to this Wi-Fi's hotspot. Okay. Next thing to do, we need to Bluetooth this phone to that. So we've connected by Wi-Fi, we've connected that to this, but we need to Bluetooth this to that. So we'll now go to the Bluetooth settings. Okay, switch on Bluetooth, and yes, it's already done this. So it's a matter of just saying get it to do and pair it, which I'm sure you're familiar with if you've paired Bluetooth things before, and just do that for it. Just get rid of these for the moment. So once we've done that, the next thing to do is go into this phone's settings, and we need to go to Android Auto. Sorry about this getting in the way. When you go into Android Auto, you'll need to go to version, and you need to click on that or tap on it 10 times very rapidly. This will give you developer options within there, and it means that when you go to the top here, you'll be able to start the head unit server. So we need to do that. Then once we come out of here, we need then to start the Wi-Fi launcher. So I'll just go across to that. And under this, it's important in the Bluetooth section that you select which Bluetooth device you want to start this app to. So it's Redmi, which is that one. This one's Bluetooth name is Redmi. So we need to Bluetooth those together. And once we've done that, we can then come out of that and then start head unit reloaded. And what should happen now is we wait just a few seconds. It comes up with Google Maps, and we can then go into Google Maps on our other phone, and then select a destination. There, and when we do that, and press start, it will then start here. So I've then now got a head unit, or my phone's behaving like a head unit for Android Auto. I can put this on my motorbike handlebars in a waterproof container, waterproof case, and I can use it. Keep my other phone safely in my waterproof trousers. Hope that's been useful to some of you. If you've got any questions, please ask. But that's it for this video. Have a good day.